Radhe Radhe. So there's a question. What was his question?
Yeah, does Krishna appreciate this blind faith
and what? And who? And a guru? What?
Guru?
Does Krishna appreciate blind faith in guru?
Even if it's guru not actually preach things according to Shastra, maybe, or some speculation there, and
not speculation, just made up.
Yeah. And will this disciple who has blind faith will reach Krishna by his devotion in that case?
Nice question. Devotee has a guru that's not so learned in the tattvas or siddhantas, and rather than humbly presenting only what he knows from Shastra and staying within that parameters, and he's speaking beyond he or she, speaking beyond their understanding or beyond their awareness or studies, or even making things up or bluffing on different topics and like this. And so the disciple, what happens if the disciple has faith, what is called, the term that's been used, what if the person has blind faith in such a guru that's not speaking according to Shastra? Will that disciple that has blind faith in their guru attain Krishna and advance in bhakti bhajan? Is that correct, your question? So the answer is yes, because ultimately the faith, the shraddha, and the bhakti is in Krishna. Because the guru is a representative of Krishna. Yet the guru is Sakshat Hari. Vishnu Chakravarti said, he is Sakshat Hari, he is a representative. So it's not that I have faith in this man, or I have devotion, or I've surrendered to this man or this lady guru, but I surrender to Krishna. I'm a Krishna Bhakta. So my faith is in Krishna as God, and I have my faith there, and I'm surrendering to Krishna through the medium of this representative, this Diksha Guru, this Shiksha Guru teacher. So because Krishna says that my devotee never perishes. So the question is asked, if they have blind faith in the Guru and they're doing devotion, will they attain Krishna? The answer is yes, of course. Absolutely yes. Because it's Krishna that's giving the mercy through the Guru or directly. It's all Krishna's mercy. Krishna is giving the promotion, advancement in bhakti through the Guru or independently. Because if one doesn't take a guru, then Krishna is not pleased. Without a guru, then you won't attain Krishna, you won't attain perfection. Because Krishna is saying you must have a guru. Lord Chaitanya is saying you must have a guru. Ramachandra is saying you must have a guru. The Shastras are saying you must have a guru, Diksha Guru, and surrender there. So if you don't do that, that's independent, and that's 2 offenses. Yes. Second offense to Nam, and 4th offense to Nam. That's my next post, by the way, which I've written about before, but I'm writing again. Does Diksha make a difference? Find out next week. MSO. Next week. She asked. The thing is, I have this guru, that guru. This is in my Guru Tattva tapes I read from this book by Nityananda. Shukadev, what's his name? Shukadev Goswami, or something like that. Shukadev Goswami, Nityananda Vamsh, he was a descendant of Lord Nityananda in the 1840s or 50s or something like that. And he was a great acharya, guru, grihastha. And his name was Shukadev Goswami, because they're all called Goswamis. It's like, Chandan Goswami or Srivats Goswami. It's a title, right? Family title, grihasthas usually. And his name was Shukadev. This is like here with Vishwanath. Vaishnava Pada Das is initiated name, but his Janam name is Vishwanath Chakravarti. Because he's a Chakravarti Brahmin from Bengal, and his parents said, well, our name is Chakravarti, and this is our son, so we'll name him Vishwanath. They must have looked at his kundali, so they named him Vishwanath. And it seems like maybe he is Vishwanath, because he's so learned and such a great Vaishnava, and so he's an amazing personality. So Shukadev Goswami, so I read from his book, it's all questions and answers, and I have 30 hours discussions on Guru Tattva and 2 CDs on the MNS Audio and SoundCloud. So all these same questions were asked, exactly what you're saying. well, if I have faith in a guru and he's really junk, and he has 3 wives and smokes and drinks, and well, I still, and the guru said yes. Because when you surrender to the guru, it means you're entering, what are you entering? A new family called Achyuta Gotra. Gotra means family, Achyuta is Bhagavan. No more Bhargava Gotra and whatever, there's different Gotras, I forget. Kasyap Gotra and Karla, so many Gotras are there. Different munis, different rishis had their wives and they produced these Gotras, family lines. So this is Krishna's family. So I'm a Guru Bhakta. I'm a Krishna Bhakta. I have a Guru, but I'm a Krishna Bhakta. My goal is to go to Guru Loka. Back home, back to Guru, there's no Guru Loka. There's Goloka. Guru teaches you how to love Krishna and go to Krishna. Not love Guru. Love Guru also, that's part of it. But the goal is loving Guru and going to Guru. No. The goal of life is Krishna Prem. And serving Krishna in the spiritual world. And Guru will be there automatically. Disciple that gets a guru, unqualified guru, has less adhikar. Everything is destiny. Those that are very highly qualified get a very highly qualified guru. Simple. All goes together. Who is making all the arrangements? 18th chapter, verse 61. Boliye. Hare Panditji. Study. Barabai. Sarvabhutanan Hridesha Juni Tishtati Brahmayan Sarvabhutani Yanturidayam. Krishna's in the heart, this body's a machine. Krishna's directing this machine to go to the Guru. So what? Krishna's only going to, the machine only moves according to the software, right? Is it right?